What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we are learning how to play Spotlight by Marshmellow and Lil Peep. Once you get done with the video, check the description below. I got a lot of really useful links there for you guys. The link to my Patreon page is there. This is a page that you can go to if you like the channel and you want to help me make the videos better. You can actually donate as much or as little money as you want. You'll get rewards for donating. You'll get exclusive content on there, and it just helps me put the money back into making these videos better, easier to understand, make more videos. It just goes right back into making everything better for you guys. So check that out when you get done. I have other guitar resources in there as well. Links to my music is there, and also my personal email is there as well. After you get done with the video, check that out. For right now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song uses 4 chords. It's going to be G, which is going to be your pinky finger on your tiniest string, your high E string on your 3rd fret, ring finger on the B string on the 3rd fret, middle finger on your G string on your 3rd fret, and then your index finger on your A string on your 2nd fret. Next, you're going to go to a C, and the way you're going to play this one is you're just going to move your middle finger and your index finger down 1 string each, and so that's going to put your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your A string, that one there, and then your middle finger on your that's 3rd fret on with your middle finger on your A string, 2nd fret on your D string with your index finger, and your pinky and your ring finger are just staying in the same spot. Now, the 3rd chord is an E minor, and we're just going to keep your pinky and your ring finger same spot, and then just put your index finger on your 2nd fret on your A string, and then your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your D string. Now the final chord is a D. The way you're going to play that is you're going to take your pinky finger off, leave your ring finger still right where it is on that 3rd fret on the B string, put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on your high E string, and then your index finger on your 2nd fret on your G string. Now those are the chords. I'll give you a strumming pattern to kick you off. One that I like to use sounds like this. That's down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. One more time, a little bit slower. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That is all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Again, check those links in the description below. There's a lot of really useful stuff there for you guys. Check the Patreon page if that interests you at all. In the comment section, leave questions, comments, concerns, or any videos that you guys want me to teach you. Any songs, rather, because that's where I've been getting a lot of these requests from. A lot of you guys are sending in songs that you want to learn. I've kind of been picking those out of the comment section and teaching them to you guys. So continue to do that. Helps me out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.